Have you ever felt like you needed to connect with Mother Nature? Growing your own vegetables is the perfect way to do so. Whether you have a small balcony or a spacious backyard, growing vegetables at home is an enjoyable and rewarding activity that will not only improve your health but also save you money. I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks on how to grow your own vegetables at home. First things first, you need to decide what kind of vegetables you want to grow and the location. Remember, different vegetables require different amount of sunlight, water, and soil quality. Choose a location with adequate sunlight and good quality soil that is suitable for the vegetables you want to grow. Now that you have your location, it is time to prepare the soil for planting. Before planting, remove any weeds or rocks that could hinder the growth of your vegetables. Also, make sure the soil is suitable for the vegetables you are growing. Choosing the right seeds is essential for a successful vegetable garden. When selecting seeds, look for high-quality seeds from reputable seed companies. Make sure to choose seeds that are suitable for the climate in your area. Now that you have your seeds, it is time to plant them. Follow the instructions on the seed packet for the recommended planting depth and spacing. Also, make sure to water the seeds immediately after planting and keep the soil moist but not too wet. After you have planted your vegetables, it is important to take good care of them. Water the plants regularly, but do not overwater them. Apply organic fertilizer or compost to the soil every couple of weeks to ensure that the plants have the nutrients they need to grow. Finally, it's time to harvest your vegetables. Harvest the vegetables when they are fully ripe to ensure the freshest and most delicious taste. By harvesting regularly, you will encourage the plants to produce more fruits or vegetables.